Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Our next speaker also played dual roles, serving with the Louisiana House of Representatives together, I guess, over 8 years. He was always across the aisle for me, a good friend, helped us when we needed it on projects, and now we've promoted him to United States Congressman in the U.S. House, Congressman Cedric Richmond.
Good morning. First, I would just like to say, once again, we're here in New Orleans celebrating something that many people thought we wouldn't have a reason to celebrate. The one thing that we do here in New Orleans and in the region and in the state is we believe in our projects and we push forward and we give it a relentless commitment. And we forge ahead and we make it happen. So whether it's the groundbreaking of this brand new marine facility or it's the investment in Federal City, which for many people, especially around the state, they question the $100 million commitment to New Orleans, the $100 million commitment to Algiers, the $100 million commitment to Federal City. But I can tell you that through then legislator, lieutenant governor, through Jackie Clarkson, through our congressman and now our governor, through our former governor, Mike Foster, and through a host of legislators and community people, we made it happen because it was a priority. And what this project means to me more than anything, and I think what it means to the city, and what we should take away from this and the message we should send, is that when we work together, all things are possible in this city. That we have no boundaries. So the investment in this was another leap of blind faith in this city. So whether it was the blind faith we showed to build the convention center, or to build the Superdome, or the New Orleans Arena, or a new teaching hospital, this facility represents what happens when we all come together and decide that we're going to invest in the future of New Orleans. We're going to invest in the future of our children. We build things better than everyone else. We dream bigger than everyone else. And when we come together, we build it better. We do it better. We celebrate it better. We will open it better than anyone else. And General Myers, as you talked about all of the facilities and all of the businesses that were moving on to the base, and you talked about the school. As a true New Orleans product and a public school graduate, out of all those you named, in the true New Orleans fashion, the one that caught my attention most was the thing you called the Little Tavern. And here in New Orleans we would call a bar, a restaurant, grill. That's the type of community that we have. That's the type of love that we have. And I look forward to being here with our troops who are willing to give the ultimate sacrifice and sitting in that tavern, that pub, celebrating what we do in New Orleans, and that is winning. Thank you for having me, and thank you for all the team players that made this possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Cedric. And I realized when I sat down, I said my friend across the aisle, we had so many people here from Washington, D.C. and the Beltway. In Louisiana, we mean literally across the aisle. He sat right across the aisle from me. It wasn't political parties. Our next